guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel, the Corporate Yogi. Today I'll be teaching you all Vajrasana or the diamond pose. This pose is very useful for people who have digestion problems or gastro problems. This is the only yoga pose which is allowed after meals. Usually you are not allowed to do yoga after your meals, but you can practice this pose. So how do we do this pose? Now I'll demonstrate to you. It's a very simple technique. You have to first stand on your knees, rest your legs completely, and then slowly put your hips down on your knees. This way you'll be sitting in the diamond pose or the Vajrasana. You have to keep your posture straight and just relax your hands on your thighs. This will help you all for a better digestion. Just sit in this position for 5 minutes to 10 minutes every day. Initially, you will feel some pain in your ankles. If you feel that, you can also practice it for less than 5 minutes. But once you are used to it, you can sit for a longer time. That's all for it today, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.